In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add subscribe button or YouTube watermarks to your video. Now to do this, simply open your browser and go to youtube.com. Then click on your profile icon. Once you click on your icon, it's going to load up a bit. Then all you have to do, select YouTube Studio. So once open, just go to the left section and then scroll down. Scroll down till you see customization. Then click on customization. Once you get in here, you'll be in the profile section. So if you are not in the profile section, make sure to switch to your profile section. Now what you have to do is just keep scrolling down till you get to the bottom section where you are going to see video watermark. Now this is where you can actually add watermark to your videos. Now let's go and get a YouTube watermark. Now simply open google.com and then search for YouTube subscribe button 150x150. Once you search for this, it's going to present to you with a lot of images. So just look for any image of your choice that you actually prefer, and then what you have to do is to download any one of those images. Now once you've downloaded your image, the next thing you need to do is to go back to YouTube, and then this section, click on upload, and then upload that image that you actually downloaded. As for me, you can see my subscribe button in here. I've already downloaded mine. So simply click on it, click on open. It's going to load it up, and then click on done. Once you click on done, it's going to ask you if you want it at the end of your video, or costume start time, or the entire video. So as for me, I'm going to be placing it on the entire video. As for you guys, you can actually use end of your video, any one of your choice. So as for entire video, after you've selected it, the next thing you need to do is to click on publish, because if you do not click on publish, it's not going to apply changes. So once you click on publish, it's going to save up, and then once anyone is watching your video, like anybody is watching your video on your channel, they are going to be seeing this subscribe watermark that you actually placed here, which is going to lead to them actually clicking on it to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it's actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.